I want to respond to a comment that I got. That comment is kind of very saddening, and I would like to react to it. And let us check the comments. Is it true that Ifa can see everything? Is it true that Ifa has solutions to people's problems? If these are all true, why is it that Ifa can't see or tell you the Orisha for your head until you pay for Ifa initiation? I can smell fraudulent activity in action. If I were to break the genes on your neck, you don't have to pay for Ifa initiation or do your Ifa initiation before you can know the Orisha of your head. My question, why is it that Babalawo don't want to check the Orisha for people's head except they do Ifa initiation? The answer is quite simple. They are pushing everyone to do Ifa initiation at all costs. Is it not the same Ifa they would use to check the Orisha for your head during and after Ifa initiation? Or is it that Ifa different from the one that will tell you the Orisha for your head? Is it different from the ones they are using on a normal? Maybe most Babalawo lack the skills to know the Orisha of your head. Maybe that skills of knowing the Orisha of your head is kept secret by their Oluwo who make Ifa initiation. Just maybe. Or what do you think could be the problem? Is it that Ifa is money hungry? Maybe Ifa only sees the Orisha for people's head after collecting money for Ifa initiation. Just thinking out loud, I still want to know why Babalawo would tell you that it is not possible to know the Orisha of your head until you do Ifa initiation. Is it written in Odu Ifa like that? Where is this coming from? Another style of forcing Ifa for people when you can just speak the truth and let them go and do their initiation with the Orisha of their head. Someone that has Osho energy is forced to do Ifa initiation, and after paying a huge sum of money for Ifa initiation, you now tell the person to find or look for another money and do Osho initiation because Osho is the Orisha for his head. How does this deceitful act sound in your ear? Till when is this going to stop? If I were the one that was told after Ifa initiation that I should find another money for Oshun, for my Oshun, do you think I will do the Oshun initiation? Come on, enough is enough. Let us grow and also allow others to grow. Ifa doesn't eat money. Ifa doesn't need money to speak the truth. Neither can Ifa be bribed with money to take a side. Why then do Babalawo lie that you have to do Ifa initiation before you know the Orisha for your head? It is time to wake up. The first consultation is to find out the Orisha for your head. If it is Shango, then let the Shango priest do their work. If it is Oya, let the Oya priest do their work. If it is Shopono, let the Shopono priest do their initiation for the people, for the person. Let everyone know their roles and stop sideline other Orisha because you want to make your Ifa worldwide. Only a hungry Babalawo. So these are what this person wrote. So let's react to it. Some people are like looking at Ifa as a money-making machine. Just take a look at the comments that this person actually commented, a very long comment like that, and this person actually asked some series of questions. But what I want to react to in particular is that he is asking a question that Ifa fraudulent and all that. Actually, in my next interview with the Babalawo, I'm going to put this question to him because I believe many of you have the same thing in mind, and I feel that we should react to it because Actually, because Ifa is all about Ifa consultation, and after consultation, we talk about the sacrifice, and which requires a lot of money to carry out. So many people are worried about this because they feel that they are coming to Isheshe to practice, and it shouldn't be a money making machine. Now that we have it like this, it is my duty to put this question across to my next invited guest, so that we can address this. So that for you guys to know that IFA is not a money making machine per se, right? But I've asked this similar question anyway. I've asked the question anyway. So the response that I got from a Babalawo that I asked this question from is that the material that are needed to be used for sacrifice are expensive, and of course Babalawo will not use his own money to buy all these materials. So I believe this is why money is involved. Then concerning the consultation, I think that is how it has been from the beginning. So it has been like that. So it's a tradition. It's a tradition. Using money, dropping money for a consultation has been the tradition. Then when we talk about fraudulent activities, so in all religions, so nobody is exempted, or in all spirituality, or in all practice like this, nobody is exempted. So we are not saying that all babalawos that you meet are all real babalawos. And I've made videos about this, how to know a real babalawo and how to know a fake babalawo. The videos are there, you can watch them. So if you are talking about fraudulent activities, maybe the babalawo you are meeting is not the right one. So we know that on social media we have a lot of fake babalawos. We have a lot of fake babalawo because they see that people are in need of spiritual attention. So on that note, we are talking about demand and supply here. So people are coming online to seek for spiritual help, and this is why there are a lot of fake people on social media as well. So whoever is portraying himself as a babalawo, and you consult such a person, and the person scams you, so that doesn't mean that that person is a babalawo. So we've been educating you on how to know a real babalawo. So you have to be very careful of whom you are dealing with. So for the fact that someone appears on on social media with bead, with Iroke Ifa and all that, or you've checked the person's profile, you see Babalawo, and all that doesn't mean that that person is a Babalawo. You know what I'm talking about? So concerning the fraudulent activities, I would advise whoever is having this in mind to to be very careful of whom you are dealing with. So this person actually has another question that why is it that before one can know his Orisha, you have to do Ifa initiation? So when we are talking about tradition is this is how it has been. It is Ifa that can suggest to you, that can tell you uh, whom your Orisha is, that is during Ifa initiation. Now, don't get me wrong, using my own experience and my understanding, you see, all of us cannot be a Babalawo. But if you feel that this is the Orisha that you are connected with, you may not go to a Babalawo to be connected to that Orisha. And Orisha can inspire. I've said it in a video that's how to know your Orisha. There are different ways. You can have your spiritual encounter by yourself without going to a Babalawo. Nobody says that it is a must. You can develop your own spiritual strength by yourself. Can develop your spiritual strength by yourself. You can. That is as far as I'm concerned. So, but if you feel that you need to go to a babalawo to know your orisha, it's fine. If you are connected to your and also if you are connected to your orisha, maybe through your dreams or through other means, it's fine as well. Maybe your attribute. If you feel that your attribute is connected to a particular orisha, then you can go ahead to connect with that Orisha. After all, there are people who just feel that, okay, I want to be part of this particular follower of an Orisha. Then you can join them. So it is not a must that you have to go to Babalawo. It's not a must. And this is what I say. There are some people, they feel that, okay, Babalawo should be everything to them. That is not the case. You can develop your own spiritual strength by yourself. Nobody is saying that coming to Isheshe, you have to be under the control of a particular Babalawo. You can be an Onisheshe without having any connection with any practitioner. You can learn. You can study by yourself. You can get books. You can watch videos. You can develop your own spiritual strength. You can meditate. You can sleep and have dreams. Your Orisha can appear to you in your dreams. So, and I say this, some people are even spiritually endowed more than the people they are going to. So you might be spiritually endowed more than even the person you feel will be the person to guide you. But if you want to be mentored by a Babalawo, then it's fine. So this person is actually saying, why is it that you have to do initiation before you know your Orisha? That is not the case as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so if you go to a Babalawo and the Babalawo says something to you, if it doesn't go well with you, if what the Babalawo says to you or tells you doesn't go well with you, it's never a do or die thing. So you have your own spiritual strength. You can go home, digest whatever a Babalawo says to you, then with the ones that are okay with you, then you follow. Don't let anybody put fear in your mind, like, oh, if you don't do this, this will happen to you. That is not the case. Okay. So that is what I can say. So I've said it that I am going to push all these questions across to a Babalawo that I'm going to be interviewing next, and I will make sure that these questions are pushed to as many Babalawo as possible in my next videos. So thank you. Don't forget that the Ifalonimogba is still showing. Ifalonimogba is still showing. Please kindly watch the movie. The series are inspired by the wisdom of Ifa through the story that we have in the Odu Ifa. Thank you very much. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe free of charge. And if you want to be part of our members, if you want to be supporting us, you can make use of the join button to choose any categories of your choice for you to be a member. Thank you and get a better life. Bye for now.